Everything is underwater. Buildings. This is crazy. And it just so happens the power people have the biggest trucks, and there's the only ones that are not flooding. I do not see that boat though, at all.
Are you kind of scared at this point?
Definitely. I mean, yes, I'm in a secure building, but definitely, not just for myself, but people around us that are not up as high as we are. That boat was right there, so either it's up against it, but I don't see anything but that one with the two lights. I mean, there's got to be people that were left in their offices, you know, things like that at this point. Hopefully everybody got out okay, but I feel for the people that do not have as much storage as we have here.